So here is the basic issue with the notion of export to LaTeX. If we go into our Jira and we go, it's currently way down here because we haven't started it yet, but if I show you this screenshot, this is all I want there to be in the export window. 2 copy buttons. Reason for that is if you click on a citation and author, you can click copy, then you can go to your LaTeX system, for instance Overleaf, go into the references document, and you can simply paste that and it will work. So that's really, really cool. We already have that. So that means that if the user goes to choose the option to copy BibTeX, what it does is it copies, I'm going to delete this so we don't have 2 of them. It copies all of the references in the document as a BibTeX document here, just to paste in here. Now, ignore all these other ones. They are based on a template. So for the second thing, the user goes into the export window and they have an option that says copy LaTeX. Let me just go back. The idea is that the user would select all the stuff that's just template, that's just temporary here, and paste. So most of it is really, really simple. If the user has an abstract, you see this is how it's formatted. Let's just skip down a bit. Section, headings, and all of that. These codes are listed in this Jira. You can see them here. The special characters and all of that. Because the funny thing is, if you have things like an ampersand, it needs to be escaped properly, as is normal in code. Now, what is really important to highlight is that if we look at references, you see this stuff after the in proceedings. That is how the system knows how to do citation. So for instance, here, /cite, and then in brackets, this stuff is what is after, or rather what is in the top of a citation. So they have to match. That's really, really important to make sure on export. Another thing that is really important, you see where it says at book, at MISC, and so on. That is the work issue where we have to include now in author type. We don't have that here yet, but there is a Jira item to add type. So that refers to this one. There has to be a type and it links to all the different types. So the point is you export from here in 2 ways. Both of them decide to go to the clipboard. One is putting everything in the references. Another one is putting the body text into the main.text. Please be aware that the user will have their own template for this. So please get a free account with Overleaf so we can start experimenting. Thank you very much.